In an era where technology is reshaping industry at lightning speed, synthetic biology emerges as a groundbreaking field that merges biology with engineering. Imagine a world where organisms are meticulously designed and engineered at the DNA level to produce everything from life-saving drugs to eco-friendly materials. This is the realm of synthetic biology, a domain where biohackers and scientists collide to create marvels of nature. What it is. Synthetic biology is akin to having a custom workshop for nature. Just as you might redesign a car engine, scientists can rewire bacteria or yeast to produce desired substances. For instance, they're engineering bacteria to produce insulin, revolutionizing diabetes treatment, and yeast strains that effectively convert sugar into biofuels. It's like molecular origami, folding biological molecules into functional masterpieces. Why it might flourish. The rise of synthetic biology is fueled by several factors. Gene editing precision. Tools like CRISPR have become precise and accessible, enabling scientists to make exact changes in DNA. This precision is akin to having a sophisticated toolkit for tweaking the building blocks of life. Sustainable manufacturing shifts away from petrochemicals toward bio-based processes, are reducing pollution and creating greener supply chains. Think of microbial factories that produce pharmaceuticals or plastics, significantly cutting environmental impact. Investment surge. With venture capital pouring into biotech, synthetic biology is gaining momentum. Companies are racing to develop novel therapies and materials, signaling confidence in its potential. Customized therapies. The promise of personalized medicine is a highlight. Using gene editing, therapies can be tailored to individual genetic profiles, offering treatments as unique as each person. This approach holds the potential to transform healthcare, offering treatments that work efficiently for each patient. Material innovation. Synthetic biology is also driving innovation in materials science. Bio-based plastic derived from organisms could soon replace traditional plastics, reducing waste and pollution. Imagine packaging made from yeast byproducts or fabric grown from bacteria, setting new standards for sustainability. Real-world applications. From CRISPR therapies combating diseases to microbial factories producing essential medicines, synthetic biology is already impacting our lives. It's like having a magical process where you can create the perfect organism for any task, whether it's in medicine, agriculture, or manufacturing. Challenges ahead. While synthetic biology offers immense potential, challenges remain. Ethical concerns, safety issues, and efficient large-scale production are hurdles that need overcoming. Ensuring these technologies benefit humanity while respecting ethical boundaries is crucial. The road ahead. Experts predict synthetic biology will transform industry in the next decade. It's poised to revolutionize healthcare with personalized therapies and sustainable manufacturing with eco-friendly materials. However, this journey requires careful navigation of challenges to ensure it benefits all. In conclusion, synthetic biology is not just a scientific marvel, it's a catalyst for change. By blending biology with engineering, we're unlocking the potential to create a healthier, more sustainable world. Stay safe, stay secure, and realize that while challenges lie ahead, the promise of synthetic biology is undeniably bright, offering a future where nature and technology converge to amaze. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.